Welcome back to the channel. We are now Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to all. Hope you're having a beautiful Christmas with all your family. Hope you have a very safe new year. Don't drink and drive, not good. Right, I'm back here, first day off. I got 5 days off now, so I think a lot of that's going to be trying to get the rust welded into this side of the XC. So I've made up the wheel arch, new plate to weld into the wheel arch, so I've made that up. Be welding that in shortly. I'd just like to say thank you to the subscribers that have subscribed, and the comments, love the comments. And that dog just started again. I'm not going to restart this again. That is supposedly a big well, it is a big muscly dog, and the bark is very strange, very low pitch. Sounds like a little chihuahua. Anyway, I'm going to weld this in, and then I'll get on and do the door. There's 2 little pinholes in the door. Get that welded up, and then we'll sort out the rail around the top, just that little part section. And I might even just give it a skim of bog after I've done that and just level it out a bit, and double check that all the rust is starting out this side, which I'm pretty sure it is now. And yeah, so we'll get sorted and start getting the welding started. So, leave it at that. Let's get stuck into it. Rightio. Looks like you turn the camera around too, doesn't it? There we go. Give that a clean up. Like with the other welds, if I've missed a little bit, a few little hairline fractures, I'll go back through, weld those up, probably when the camera's off. But now, that wheel arch is done. Back section down here, it's all done. Solid again. Now I'll just get ready to sort out those little bits under the front door there. So back in 2 secs. Okay, sorted the rust out down there. It's all done. Just finished welding up the new channel. Got to tidy that up now. Just cut it down a little bit more there. Oh, still a bit hot too. And trim that back on the right angle. So, new lips in. I'll just quickly tidy that up and then go through, throw some bog over it, start to level that part out and throw some primer over it. And then the next stage will be, I don't know if I should do the plenum yet, because that's a big job. So I might spin this car around and then we'll have a look at the other side. So I'll be back in soon. Alright, trying to mix up a bit of bog. Just try and smooth this out a little bit. Throw a bit of primer over it. And then all the fresh metal will be saved, so I won't be sanding as much. Still got all the body work again anyway, but go through. Let's see if I know I've done all this section. I know I'm doing something. that on the wrong side for that one. Another glorious day, but what better way to spend the day? Pretty warm today, so this might set pretty quick. Here we go. Smooth for me, girl. As you probably worked out, I'm not a paddle beater. Far from a paddle beater. Very quick. My guess is I'll put too much hardener in it. That's it. Give it a light sand. Another batch actually. So while I'm doing this, I'll be back shortly after it's all done. Alright, well, I think I'm going to call that for a wrap for this one. I'll give this bob a sand down and give this side primer. Hopefully one day I'll get back onto that old girl and get into her again. But I hope you're liking it, and if you're new here, like and subscribe. I need all the help I can get, and yeah, we'll get through it shortly. As long as I keep getting nice days like this, then yeah, I'll just keep getting into it. But thanks for watching, and if you're new, subscribe, like, and I know all this welding and body work's pretty boring, so I suppose got to do what you got to do to get it done. So thanks, and bourbon time. Cheers.